Hi, I'm Mark Ulrich. I'm here at ISE 2023 at the Xilica booth, and today I'm going to show you the Xilica Sennheiser Room Kit. Xilica has a partnership with Sennheiser, and this is to complete the Room Kit solution, which is for medium and large conference rooms. This is a completely PoE in-ceiling room kit solution that is comprised of a micro-sized DSP, a PoE powered power amp, the connection of 5.5-inch speakers via Cat5 cable, an RJ45 connection, and two options for a beamforming ceiling tile microphone. We have the Sennheiser TCC2 here, and then the newly announced TCC-M for medium over here. Everything is pre-qualified, everything is in ceiling, everything is category cable connected, and everything is PoE powered. Everything is on standard networking protocols, making the deployment, the specification, and the management of the solution very easy and very cost effective. So to learn more about this and other solutions from Xilica, please visit us at www.xilica.com. Thanks for